Alright, now we're going to demonstrate the Raspberry Pi garage door opener integrated with Asterisk. Alright, over here on the right we have our Raspberry Pi. In the middle here we have our breadboard with various sensors and whatnot, and then over here to the left we have the relay that's connected to our garage door switch that the Raspberry Pi controls so the garage door goes up and down. Now on the breadboard we have a green LED to the right that indicates that the garage door is closed. In the middle we have an LED that flashes that indicates the garage door is going up or down. Then on the left we have a LED that indicates that the garage door is up. Now we also have a couple of temperature sensors on there that indicate, that'll can tell us how warm or cold it is in the garage. And we also have a buzzer there that will buzz when the Raspberry Pi controls the garage door, so that if anybody's in there, they know, hey, somebody's getting ready to open up the garage door, so be prepared. All right, over here we have a couple of we have my tablet and my phone. We have a live view of the garage door, or the garage here from our security camera footage. And on this one, I'm going to refresh. It also indicates the garage door is down, and we also have live feed on our cell phone, that shows us, what's happening here in the garage at any given time. Now, if we scroll up here, we have a button that says toggle door. If we hit that button, the garage door will open. So now we'll hit that button. You can also see that it went up there on the screens. Scroll down. See, it's open. Now, what we also did was integrate the Raspberry Pi with my Asterisk PBX system. All right, now we'll dial the number here for the Asterisk PBX. Put it on speakerphone so y'all can hear. And it probably won't work because our phone system here is not working all that great.
Thank you for calling Big Dog Worldwide, an American tradition since 19... To get the most recent garage door status, press 1. The current status of the garage door is up. To get the most recent garage door status, press 1. To open or close. Please enter your password followed by the pound key. Thank you. To close the garage door, press 1. The current status of the garage.
And there you have it. That's it.